Have you ever wished you could travel through time? Imagine witnessing historical events firsthand. Picture yourself journeying to the future. Time travel has captivated our imaginations for centuries. It's a staple of science fiction. But is it scientifically possible? Let's delve into the science behind this tantalizing concept. The idea of time travel is not just a fantasy, it's a subject that physicists grapple with. We need to understand the fabric of the universe itself. Join me as we explore the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of time travel. Albert Einstein, a giant of modern physics, was not just a brilliant mind but a revolutionary thinker who changed the way we perceive the universe. He revolutionized our understanding of time, transforming it from a simple linear progression into a complex, flexible dimension. His groundbreaking theory of relativity provides the foundation for the possibility of time travel, a concept that has fascinated humanity for generations. Einstein showed that time is not absolute but rather a relative concept that can change depending on various factors. It's relative to the observer's motion and the strength of gravity, meaning that time can stretch or compress based on these influences. Imagine two clocks, one on Earth and one on a speeding spaceship. According to Einstein's theory, these clocks would not tick at the same rate. Einstein's theory predicts that time slows down for the clock on the spaceship, a phenomenon that becomes more pronounced as the spaceship's speed increases. This phenomenon is called time dilation, where time itself stretches out, causing events to occur more slowly. It means that time passes slower in stronger gravitational fields, such as near a massive planet or a black hole. This concept of time dilation is not just theoretical, it has practical implications and has been observed in real-world experiments. It has been experimentally verified using highly precise atomic clocks, which are capable of measuring even the smallest differences in time. For instance, atomic clocks on airplanes tick slightly slower than clocks on Earth, a difference that can be measured and confirmed. This effect, though minuscule, confirms Einstein's theory and demonstrates the real-world impact of time dilation. Time is not a constant but a variable entity, influenced by speed and gravity, reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Einstein's theory also allows for the possibility of wormholes. These are theoretical tunnels that connect two distant points in space-time. Imagine folding a piece of paper in half. A wormhole would be like poking a hole through the folded paper, creating a shortcut. If wormholes exist, they could potentially be used for time travel. By traversing through a wormhole, one could theoretically emerge in a different time period. However, there's a catch. Wormholes are highly unstable and may require exotic matter to hold them open. Time travel, while fascinating, presents a host of paradoxes. These are situations where the rules of cause and effect seem to break down. One of the most famous is the grandfather paradox. Imagine traveling back in time and accidentally killing your grandfather before your parent was born. This action creates a paradox. If your grandfather died, you wouldn't exist. But if you don't exist, how could you have gone back in time to kill him? These paradoxes highlight the complexities of time travel. They question the very nature of causality and free will. Some physicists believe that time travel to the past might be impossible due to these paradoxes. Section 5. The Grandfather Paradox. Can you change the past? The Grandfather Paradox forces us to confront a fundamental question: can we alter the past? Some theories suggest that if time travel is possible, it might lead to parallel universes. In this scenario, traveling to the past wouldn't change your original timeline. Instead, it would create a new, branching timeline. This concept of the multiverse offers a potential solution to time travel paradoxes. It suggests that any changes made in the past wouldn't affect the time traveler's original present. However, the existence of the multiverse remains a topic of debate among physicists. Section 6. The Nature of Time, a River or a Dimension. To grasp the complexities of time travel, we need to understand the nature of time itself. Is time like a river flowing in one direction, or is it like a dimension similar to space where we can move freely? Our everyday experience suggests that time flows linearly from past to present to future. However, Einstein's theory proposes that time is more flexible than we perceive. It can be warped and stretched by gravity and motion. Section 7. Quantum Physics and Time Travel. A glimpse into the bizarre. quantum physics, the study of the subatomic world introduces even stranger possibilities to the concept of time travel. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This concept, known as superposition, has mind-boggling implications for time. Some physicists speculate that quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where two particles are linked regardless of distance, could be exploited for time travel. Imagine sending entangled particles to different points in time, potentially creating a communication channel through time itself. Section 8. The Search for Evidence. Time travelers, where are you? If time travel is possible, one might wonder why we haven't encountered any time travelers from the future. Some argue that time travel to the past might be restricted to a point after a time machine is invented. Others suggest that time travelers might be concealing their presence to avoid paradoxes. The lack of concrete evidence doesn't disprove time travel, it simply adds to the mystery. Perhaps we haven't developed the technology to detect temporal anomalies, or maybe time travelers are masters of disguise, blending seamlessly into our present. Section 9. Ethical Implications. Tampering with the fabric of time. The possibility of time travel raises profound ethical questions. If we could alter the past, should we? What are the consequences of changing historical events, even seemingly insignificant ones? The butterfly effect suggests that even small changes in the past could have ripple effects, drastically altering the present. The ethical dilemmas surrounding time travel are complex and multifaceted. They force us to grapple with our responsibility to the past, present, and future. The power to manipulate time, if it exists, comes with immense responsibility. Section 10. Time travel in science fiction, from H.G. Wells to Back to the Future. Time travel has been a recurring theme in science fiction for over a century. It has captivated the minds of readers and viewers alike, offering a glimpse into the endless possibilities of what could be if we could move through time as easily as we move through space. H.G. Wells's groundbreaking novel, The Time Machine, sparked our imaginations with its depiction of a future world transformed by time travel. Published in 1895, it introduced the concept of a machine that could travel through time, a notion that was revolutionary at the time and continues to influence the genre today. Since then, countless books, movies, and TV shows have explored the possibilities and perils of time travel. These stories range from thrilling adventures to cautionary tales, each offering a unique perspective on the consequences of tampering with time. From the whimsical adventures of Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure to the thought-provoking dilemmas of 12 Monkeys, time travel narratives have evolved to address complex themes and questions. Science fiction provides a platform to explore the philosophical and ethical implications of manipulating time. It challenges us to consider the potential consequences of our actions and the moral responsibilities that come with such power. These stories, while fictional, reflect our enduring fascination with time travel and its potential impact on humanity. They invite us to dream, to question, and to imagine a world where the boundaries of time are no longer fixed, but fluid and full of possibilities. Section 11. Conclusion. The unending allure of time travel. The concept of time travel continues to captivate our imaginations and challenge our understanding of the universe. From the earliest myths and legends to modern science fiction, the idea of moving through time has always fascinated humanity. While the science remains theoretical, the possibilities are tantalizing. Imagine being able to witness historical events firsthand, or glimpse into the future to see what lies ahead. Einstein's theory of relativity provides a framework for understanding time as a flexible entity, bending and stretching under the influence of gravity and speed. This groundbreaking theory opened up new avenues of thought and speculation, and the mysteries of quantum physics hint at even stranger possibilities. Concepts like quantum entanglement and superposition suggest that the universe operates in ways that are far beyond our current comprehension. While time travel might remain a distant dream for now, it continues to inspire scientists, writers, and dreamers alike. The very idea pushes us to think beyond the limits of our everyday experiences. The pursuit of understanding time itself is a journey worth taking. Each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. It's a journey that leads us to the frontiers of physics, philosophy, and the very nature of reality. The quest to understand time challenges our perceptions and encourages us to explore the unknown. The allure of time travel lies not just in the possibility of visiting different eras, but in the profound questions it raises about our place in the cosmos. What would we learn from our past? How would our future be shaped by our actions today? But in the profound questions it raises about our place in the cosmos. As we gaze at the stars and ponder the vastness of the universe, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that time travel represents. It is a testament to human curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge.